Let's jump right into this explainer, because today we are looking at something truly mind-bending. The exact moment digital artificial intelligence finally steps into the physical world. For years, we've talked about AI as a sort of brain in a box, right? It processes data, writes text, generates images. But what actually happens when you give that incredibly smart digital brain a physical body? Well, that's exactly what we're breaking down today. I want you to picture this. Imagine it's the year 2045, and you've just walked into a state-of-the-art factory. A profound transformation has taken place here. The environment around you doesn't just feel mechanized, it feels alive with this incredibly purposeful, coordinated activity. You look around, and the machines are just in constant motion. Robotic arms are piecing together products with absolute, breathtaking precision. Down on the floor, autonomous vehicles are smoothly transporting heavy materials all across the building, effortlessly dodging obstacles. Look up, and you'll see drones meticulously inspecting equipment near the ceiling. The whole shebang is perfectly, almost magically coordinated. But here is the real kicker. These robots aren't just blindly following a rigid pre-programmed set of instructions. No way. They're actually being guided in real time by a team of highly intelligent AI agents. One agent is monitoring the overall production flow. Another is obsessed with quality control. You've got another one analyzing data to predict equipment failures before they even happen. Meanwhile, others are coordinating deliveries and optimizing the building's energy use. The robots do the physical heavy lifting, but the AI agents are providing the overarching digital intelligence. Seeing this unprecedented teamwork between physical machines and digital minds really begs a massive question for us today. Could this actually become the baseline future of industry? I mean, together they form a team unlike anything humanity has ever built.
Section 1. Muscle meets digital brains.
So, to understand how we actually get to that 2045 factory, we kind of need to look at traditional robots. The crucial thing to remember is that traditional robots are fantastic at repetitive muscle work. Welding, painting, packaging, they do it with remarkable consistency. But they essentially freeze up the second something unexpected happens. A misplaced object, a damaged component, and bam, the whole system grinds to a halt. And that is exactly where AI agents step in. They are the adaptable brains that can actually perceive and react to all those crazy, unexpected variables. Let's say a robot is assembling electric vehicles, and suddenly, a vital shipment of parts is delayed. In the past, that shuts down the entire factory line. But with an AI agent in charge, it doesn't skip a beat. It dynamically steps in, reorganizes the workflow, assigns idle robots to other tasks, adjusts the schedules, and pings the human managers. It practically has the factory ready to instantly resume full operations the literal second those parts arrive. Section 2. Transforming industries and homes. And this technological leap isn't just a game changer for manufacturing. It's about to revolutionize almost every environment we interact with. Whether we're talking about a hospital, a farm, or literally your own living room, the division of labor is incredibly consistent. In hospitals, robots physically deliver meds and disinfect rooms, while AI coordinates complex schedules so doctors and nurses have more time for actual patient care. Out on the farm, autonomous tractors do the heavy lifting, while AI analyzes weather and soil to reduce food waste. Even at home, imagine a robot folding your laundry while the AI plans out the chore schedule based on your daily routine. Robots handle the muscle, AI handles the logistics.
Section 3. The future of work.
Of course, seeing robots fold our laundry and harvest our food naturally brings up the absolute elephant in the room. What happens to our jobs? If a machine and an AI agent can do all this so efficiently, where exactly do humans fit into the picture? Well, history actually gives us a lot of reassurance here. While machines absolutely do take over repetitive tasks, technology has a habit of changing jobs rather than wiping them out entirely. Just like the Industrial Revolution, this convergence is paving the way for brand new careers. We're already seeing a massive surge for robotics engineers, software developers, automation specialists, and data scientists. AI is fully expected to keep this historical pattern of job transformation going strong. The reality is, as routine physical work gets automated, human work is going to shift. It's going to focus intensely on the stuff we naturally excel at and where machines totally struggle. We're talking imagination, compassion, leadership, and complex problem solving. Essentially, our work becomes less about being a machine and way more about being uniquely human. But hold on, we absolutely have to talk about safety. Physical robots are operating in the real world. Factories, hospitals, roads, homes, where a mistake has real physical consequences.
AI systems controlling heavy machinery need sky-high reliability. So human oversight remains absolutely essential. We aren't being removed from the loop, we're just being elevated to the role of director.
Section 4. The ultimate partnership. Looking ahead, experts are predicting a future defined not by replacement, but by an incredible synergy. We're going to see this human-machine collaboration everywhere. Factories producing goods, construction sites improving worker safety, warehouse operating around the clock. But it also extends to the extremes, like space missions exploring distant worlds, or sending robotic teams into disaster zones to do the dangerous work before risking human lives.
So the real takeaway here, the greatest achievement won't just be building smarter robots. It's going to be creating these seamless partnerships. It's about freeing humanity to focus on imagination and innovation, while the machines take on the demanding, dangerous, and physically exhausting burdens. Because at the end of the day, intelligence alone doesn't build a better future. Action does. And when you combine intelligent AI agents with highly capable physical robots, ideas can finally step out of the digital realm and tangibly shape the physical world around us.
But as this capability grows, so does the responsibility. Will AI agents ever become truly autonomous? And where exactly should humanity draw the line between efficient automation and necessary human control? That's a debate that is going to define the next century.
And we're going to tackle that exact question in our next explainer. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to explore the future of AI, robotics, and innovation with us, please consider this my official request to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications. The future is no longer just digital, it's becoming physical. Thanks for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.